Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices and price codes. Today, we're going to learn how to add your business info, as these info will automatically show up at the top of your invoices. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Settings. Here, scroll down and go to the General section, and then click on Business Info. Here, you can set up your business name, which category best matches your business, update your logo, and input a short description of what your business is about. Moving on, you can scroll down and set up your business address, as well as business contact info. Once you're done making all the changes that you need to make, go back to the top and review everything to ensure there will be no mistakes. And once everything's all ready, click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.